Oh no, I was already taking a video.
Okay. Welcome to Downhill Tonka Fails, where we're going to do some fails, but it's only going to be one.
What? What?
If my assistant would please push me.
Oh my god! Dude, are you okay?
No.
Okay, let's try it again.
Number 2.
Okay, let's do it again. That was pretty funny. Oh my god.
That was hilarious.
Okay, ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Look at the truck. There goes the truck. There goes the truck. Oh my god. Dude, are you okay? Again? What's up, dude? Oh god, this is funny. Okay.
Number 3.
Yep, number 3, try. Oh, he's gonna do it this way. Here, he's gonna do it this way.
Yeah, probably going to.
Oh, no, that wasn't a fail.
Okay.
You actually got to fail.
Do that to see the audience, not to see me fail. Okay, I'm ready.
Go!
Wait, that was another fail. We're supposed to do a fail. Okay, is it still recording?
Yes, it is. Ding-a-ling. You ready?
Give me a little.
There goes the truck. There goes his leg.
Number 4.
How about 5?
Number 4. We're doing another 5 at the end.
I should be like this.
My assistant could please give me a push again.
Okay. That wasn't a fail.
Oh, yes, it was.
You actually got a fail. You actually got a fail. Oh my god!
Fail number 5, which is the last fail.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Did you change the camera?
What? No.
Let me see.
No.
Okay, Peter.
Still recording.
Okay.
Why wouldn't it be?
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Whoa.
Oh, you guys missed it! Okay, let's try that again.